So, I just heard about this guy named Dave who
Mm,
turned his struggling e-commerce business around in just 24 hours.
wait, 24 hours? That's incredible. How did
Yeah.
he pull that off?
Well, he tried something called premium solo ad traffic,
Oh,
and it completely changed everything for him.
premium solo ad traffic? I've heard of solo ads, but what's so special about the premium ones?
So, solo ads are like email ads sent directly to a targeted audience through someone's email list. But the premium
Right.
ones it's like the VIP lounge of email marketing.
So more exclusive then?
Exactly. Exactly. A curated audience that's eager to engage and convert.
Yeah,
Unlike generic ads, these go straight into inboxes primed for your niche.
that makes sense. But how did Dave get such immediate results?
Well, well, he was skeptical at first.
Yeah, I can
But
imagine.
desperate times, right? So he gave it a shot, and boom, orders started flooding in.
That's amazing. It's like turning on a faucet of customers.
Exactly. Exactly. It's like he found a secret tap that no one else knew about. All it
Haha.
took was tapping into the right audience.
But isn't there a risk relying on someone else's email list?
Well, well, that's where platforms like Udemy come in. They connect you with trusted providers who have quality
Oh,
lists.
okay.
You can even track your results to see what's working.
So it's not just shooting in the dark then?
Not at all. Not at all. It's more like using a sniper rifle instead of a shotgun.
Right.
You're targeting precisely who'd be interested in your product.
But what about the cost? Is it expensive to enter this premium market?
It varies. It varies. But think of it this way. If you're getting high converting traffic, the
Mm-hmm.
return on investment can be significant.
That's a good point. But do you think it's sustainable in the long run?
Well, I think you need to blend strategies.
Yeah,
Use premium solo ads to boost campaigns, but also work on building your own list.
that makes sense. Don't want to put all your eggs in one basket.
Exactly. Exactly. It's like borrowing someone else's car to get somewhere fast, but eventually you'll want your own wheels.
Haha, true. So for someone starting out, would you recommend this approach?
I think so. I think it's definitely worth considering. If
Yeah.
you're after immediate results, it's a powerful tool.
But should we be cautious about the quality of these email lists?
Absolutely. Absolutely. That's why platforms like Udemy are helpful. They vet the providers. You still
Got
need
it.
to do your homework, of course.
So it's not a silver bullet, but it can be a great accelerator?
Precisely. Precisely. And when you combine it with other strategies, you're setting yourself up for success.
Definitely. I'm curious, why aren't more people using this method?
Well, I think it's partly due to lack of awareness, or maybe skepticism like Dave had. But
Could
once
be.
you see the results, it's hard to ignore.
But doesn't relying on someone else's email list put you at their mercy?
Well, to an extent. But that's why it's important to use reputable platforms.
Hmm,
You want to ensure the quality of the list.
I suppose, but there's always a risk, isn't there?
True, but with due diligence, you can mitigate that risk.
I guess so. You've certainly piqued my interest.
Great. Then maybe it's time to give it a try. Just imagine the possibilities.
Totally. Though I do wonder, is there any potential downside?
Well, as with any marketing strategy, there are
Right.
risks. Your offer needs to resonate with the audience.
And if it doesn't, you might not see the returns you're hoping for.
Exactly. Exactly. So it's crucial to have a solid product and a compelling message.
Yeah. So it's not just about driving traffic, but also about what you're offering when they get there.
You've got it. You've got it. The traffic brings them to your door, but your offer gets them to stay.
Well said. All right, I'm convinced. Time to revamp my marketing strategy.
Go for it. Ha ha. Go for it. And don't forget to share your success story.
Will do.